Cocina35 brunch in Coronado Island, San Diego is always packed, especially on weekends. We still had to wait even though we reserved. Cocina35 is a Mexican breakfast restaurant that specializes in chilaquiles, the most traditional breakfast in Mexico. It has 2 locations in San Diego. One in Point Loma and one in Coronado. We been to Point Loma few months ago and this is our first time here in Coronado. This location has the beautiful ocean view. It's Mother Goose's first time here as well as the Gramps. Today is a special day. We're celebrating Grandpa's birthday. We always enjoy dining out with the Gramps. But of course, Grandpa's cooking is the best. Do you love coffee? Cocina35 has free coffee refills. Mother Goose wants some steak, but unfortunately this is a Mexican restaurant. I love this interior tree. I can't get enough of it. It's their signature interior design.
Ayo mother, picture tayo. Buenos dias. Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, look at that.
Our plates did not come all at the same time. They serve big portions. Their customer service is excellent. We all have our plates except for Mother Goose. Everything else is excellent except for Mother Goose's plate that she had to wait for.
Let's wait. One more. Small plate.
Finally, Mother Goose's plate was served. She's now the happiest.
Avocado is good.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Yes, thank you. Thank you.
Sir, yeah, please. They do refill. They do refill.
They don't do refill.
Oh, they know, man.
No.
Open it. Open your gift. This is right.
Oh, look at that.
Like this. No, I have to work exercise. Read it.
Liberty, I can read. Can't see no more. So I have a new glasses, but okay, we wish you this wonderful night, wonderful day. Please fill up your heart, joy and blessing of a fantastic day. We love you and thank you for your time. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. That's about you. Supposed to be like that.
Ice cream. Huh?
I'm still digesting.
Look how much they gave Grandpa his free birthday dessert.
Get it over here.
Oh yes, churros-licious. Okay, it's restroom time. Look at this. The bathroom has beautiful flower walls. So why not take some selfies? Okay, let's go.
Lamig. Sabi sa inyo eh. Lamig.
Beautiful view of Coronado Island. We have a great time celebrating Grandpa's birthday. See you on our next brunch.